Managing a constant stream of tickets can get messy fast. Without a solid system, tracking a ticket through its entire life cycle feels impossible. But it doesn't have to be that way. And today, we're changing that. We're using Zia in Zoho Creator to build a custom app from scratch just by talking to it. We're going to prompt Zia to build a system that handles everything from customer support and IT requests to maintenance, work orders at any organization. It's as simple as typing out what you need. The second you hit enter, Zia handles the heavy lifting, building a central repository for your data, setting up status tracking, and even configuring the routing logic. Zia even sets up role-based access so that right people see the right information automatically. And just like that, the app is ready to go. The dashboard gives you real-time look at your performance metrics right away. You've got a dedicated module to capture every single request in one place and a status tracker to monitor the resolution. It even triggers auto-escalations if a ticket sits for too long. You also get a FAQ repository to store canned responses and save replies for common questions. Zia just gave you a full prototype to get started. You'll find the exact prompt I used in the description below. Paste it into Zoho Creator and start building it your way. We drop new videos on the 2nd and 4th Friday of every month. See you next time.